My name is Ric Allott. I'm working within the Business Innovations Directorate and I'm the Business Development Manager for the Central Laser Facility. So I was always into physics. I always wanted to know how things worked, what they were doing, why they were doing it. But the laser to me was absolutely phenomenal, and all it's done is continued to grow. So you can have an application where you're scanning a barcode in a supermarket, or you're drilling a hole in a 14-inch piece of steel, and it's the same technology. That to me is absolutely fascinating. So the science has always driven me, but behind all of that science was this sort of urge to do something a little bit more commercial and actually to make something of it and have those applications that come through and then benefit everybody. We have 5 main facilities in the laser facility. They cover a really broad spectrum of technologies and industry space. So we go from bioscience, where we're able to image single molecules in living cells, and we go all the way through to the big high-power lasers, where we can generate all sorts of particles, X-rays, electrons, neutrons, and you can use those for imaging applications and non-destructive testing for automotive or aerospace. So it's the whole spectrum. Companies and industry are interested in engaging with us because we have the leading edge facilities. We are really at the forefront of this technology, and they want to get that competitive advantage. But most importantly, we have the people, and the people are our absolute key asset. And also the ecosystem that we develop here. So things like the campus development, bringing on companies who have similar ideas, but being able to mix those ideas together. So to engage with industry partners, it's all about networking, and in my opinion, networking is a contact sport. Okay, so you've got to get out there and you've got to talk to people and you've got to walk the boards. So I do that through conferences and workshops. I do it from my existing contacts. I do it from referrals from colleagues. I'm currently Vice President of the Association of Industrial Laser Users. Photonics 21, which is a European activity, the Photonics Leadership Group. So you're getting yourself involved with the people who are making the decisions and at the top of their game, at the top of their companies and organisations, and you get yourself in there and you get the technologies known via those sort of routes. Business development for me is all about maximising impact. So that could be economic, or it could be societal, or both, hopefully. So using our science and technology that we develop here at STFC for the benefit of society. The main driver in STFC is science and excellence in science. But we always have to demonstrate impact of that science. And that's obvious and should be the case because we're using UK taxpayers' money to do that. You have to have a strategy which allows you to go out and engage with industry, but you must always have an eye on the science and ensure that you don't stop that pipeline of really cool ideas coming from the scientists.